Hi, we're here in Atlanta to Class 1 Equipment to do a demonstration video of Yes Oven serial number 87467. It's an upgrade for a customer where we replaced the original sequencer with a PLC based controller, and because they were the original temperature controller was giving wildly inaccurate temperature readings, we replaced that as well. Come over here a bit. The convectron gauge was functional, and so it was just connected right up to PLC. It works pretty much the same way that the original system did, in that you have a start and reset button, and I'll just shut it off to demonstrate. You get the typical alarm for power failure. Hit that, and then you can hit return. As you can see on the menu here, you have several functions. What you will do is, if you go in, you can check, we'll set to the factory recipe defaults, which are what the customer had requested. We can kind of step through that. Purge time 3 minutes. Into bake, not active. Pump time 3.5 minutes. HMDS time 5 minutes. Purge time 2 minutes. Vent time. Pre-purge 3 cycles. Post-purge 2 cycles, and then back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to adjust this a little bit, just to make this a little more, cut the time down for this particular demo right here. So we'll take that down to 3 minutes for pump time. HMDS prime, we'll go to 1 minute. Post purge time, leave that as is. Vent time, same. We'll go to 1 cycle for purge cycles. Trying to get this where you don't get too much glare. I know it's rather difficult to see the screen here. They don't show up very well in these videos. So we're ready to run it as right now. So what we can do is let me go ahead and demonstrate a couple other things. If you go into manual control, these are inputs across here, and what I can do is I can hit the reset button. See if I can get the glare off of this thing. Maybe that's a little bit better. And you can see the reset go active. And what you'll see is when the 2 vacuum set points are made, you'll see these inputs change state as well. I can also come in and I can manually fire the HMDS solenoid, vacuum solenoid, vent solenoid, alarm, and so forth. Maintenance is just some various little things, changing contrast and such as that. So basically what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start this. We'll hit run, and then what you can do is you can go to run status, and it will actually show the time left in that particular step. So what we'll do is I'll just come back and put the camera on the tripod, and we'll let it run. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. And there again, I apologize for the quality of the image on the controller, the PLC controller there, but what you'll see in real life is a lot better than that. cycle is completed, just hit the reset button and you're ready to go again. Now, I figure I'll give you a little bit of information on this temperature controller. It's pretty simple. To change the set point, you just run it up or down, hit set. If you want to turn the output off, for some reason you might want the oven on but not heating, you just go to the step button, hit it once, you see run stop. You just hit the down arrow, that stop hits set again, and then you'll see that the output 1 is off, which is the output for this solid state relay that switches the power to the heating elements. Turn it back on, same thing, hit the up button, now it's in run mode, you hit it twice, you're there. If you do want to run auto tune, you can hit the set button, and if you hit the up arrow and then hit set again, it will run auto tune and it will run the cycle, and when it's complete it'll default back to run mode automatically. This also uses alarm 3 output. It has a normally closed normally closed relay contact, so that this is set, alarm 3 is set as your over temperature, which I forget was 15-20 degrees above what you would normally run it. So if the temperature overshoots, what it will do is alarm 3 will activate. It will cut the power to the SSR. It's wired in series with output 1, so it'll interrupt the power and turn off the heating elements. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, the function's very similar, just a lot easier to program than the original sequencer, and just do a little quick click around the rest of the machine. And that concludes the demo. Thanks for watching.